Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send Bitcoin on Paxful. So you can see here that you can send Bitcoin by clicking this highlighted button, which is highlighted in blue. You can see that you can copy this address that they have created for you, or you can get a new address. Transactions. These are the transactions that you have. And here is the address, where you can click and you can find the address that they have sent you. Then click send Bitcoin and then select the amount you would like. You can select as many Bitcoins you have got. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, go to the Bitcoin website. There are over 150 pages that you can read. And thanks for watching, and I hope you learned how to send Bitcoin on Paxful.